Hi there guys, are you tired of feeling overwhelmed by YouTube's algorithm while struggling to keep up with your YouTube posting schedule? Well, you're not alone. So today on this video, we are going to be learning all the essential strategies for maintaining a consistent posting schedule on YouTube. But first thing first, before we get into the strategies, we need to know what exactly consistency means. So this question is actually relative because it depends on what we are talking about. But in this situation, what exactly does consistency mean to you and what is realistic for you? So if you really want to learn these strategies, then you want to keep on watching this video and consider subscribing to this channel, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and click on that notification bell. So my name is Careenmankah and welcome to this channel. Consistency on YouTube means regularly uploading videos on YouTube and sticking to a strict schedule. It involves you sticking to a particular content style or content form so that your viewers will always know what to expect. This is going to create some kind of trust between you and your viewers will always want to come back to your videos. Okay, let's say for example, my name is Kareen. I have a YouTube channel and I post videos on the tips and the tricks for YouTube beginners, how you can maintain your online presence on YouTube. So I put up videos, or I upload videos every Mondays and Fridays at exactly 5 p.m. So that's consistency for me. Now you need to find out what consistency means to you, because consistency is not just all about posting videos every single day. You need to decide how many videos you want to post in a week or in a month. Then when you've gotten that, now you'll decide on which days in particular do you want to post and what time do you want to post. So that's going to be consistency to you. Okay, so for the very first step of today is for you to make sure you plan your videos in advance. That means you should keep a list of all your ideas. The process of creating a YouTube video involves, it starts from the outline to the setup, when you're setting up your lights and your cameras and everything, to the filming, to the editing, to creating your thumbnail, your description, and then uploading your video. So that is the process. So you need to plan that out. So for you to get your ideas or your topic ideas, what you need to do, or what I'm going to advise you to do, is for you to get a notebook where you can always have your ideas, so that whenever an idea pop up into your mind, you can always jot it down. Maybe you can have a notebook by your bedside, in your bag, or in your car, or anywhere that you can easily gain access to, because ideas might just come randomly in different ways, or when you're doing different activities. Maybe you're in the market, an idea might just pop up into your head, or maybe you're driving, an idea might pop up, or maybe you just want to sleep and then an idea just pop up. It will be easy for you to jot it down. Don't say that when I wake up or when I finish this I'm going to jot it down, because you're going to forget. So when you have access to that notebook by your side at every point in time, it's going to be easy for you to jot down those ideas. Then another thing is for you to, if you don't want to use your notebook, or if you're not a notebooky kind of person, you want to use your phone, either an Android phone or an iOS phone. Then you want to get a laptop that is compatible to your phone. So you can use apps like the Notepad app in your mobile phone, where you can jot down all your ideas, or the Microsoft Word Office that is in your mobile phone, that you can jot down all your ideas, and it will be easy for you to share with your laptop. And an example of other apps you can use is you have Trello, you have Notion, you have Google Calendar, you have Evernote. So these are some free apps, or these are some apps that you can use to help you jot down your ideas, so that you can always have them whenever you want to create. But if you happen to be the kind of person that doesn't get those ideas very easily, then no bother, no worries, I got you covered. What you can do is for you to go over to apps like Answer the Public or Pinterest, and you type in your niche, and you're going to see questions that people are asking about that particular niche. Or you can also go to YouTube, in the search bar, you just type in your niche, or you type in a question you want to ask. Then you're going to see the most popularly asked question, and that way you can be able to jot it down. Then you want to also go to your competitors channel and check through their comments and see exactly what their viewers are saying, or the questions their viewers are saying, or the videos that their viewers want your competitor to create. That way you can easily find ideas for you to create your video. So the second point here is to create a schedule. So after recording down all those ideas, after jotting those ideas down, after keeping them safe, you want to create a schedule which you're going to follow consistently, because it is this schedule that is going to help you to be able to post consistently. You have to create a schedule that you're going to follow consistently. Just creating the schedule is not just going to help you to be consistent. What is going to help you to be consistent is if you're able to follow that schedule strictly and consistently, then that is really going to help you to start posting consistently. So there are also some apps that can help you to schedule your videos. There are some apps that can help you to schedule how you want to be consistent on posting your videos, such as Trello, Notion, a lot of those apps out there. So when you do that, when you're working with a schedule, you are going to be able to be more consistent. You always have to make a schedule of how you're going to carry out your daily activities, your work in your office and other things. So it's just the same thing here. You need to create a schedule to help you go through with that. And our third point is for you to create achievable or realistic goals for your posting frequency and stick to it. Like, you need to plan, you need to create some kind of a plan, some kind of a working system, or some kind of a workflow system that you're going to strictly follow it. That way it's going to help you to be able to post consistently on YouTube. So before carrying out any activity in life, generally, you always have to make a plan. You always have to make some kind of workflow that is going to help you to follow your process. So it is always good to plan before doing anything, because if you just stand up and start doing things without planning, definitely you're going to fail. So planning is also another very important part when it comes to creating content and being consistent on YouTube. So I hope these tips are going to be so helpful to you. I hope you're going to enjoy them. I hope you're going to gain some value from this, and please consider subscribing to the channel and giving this video a thumbs up, because that is really going to help the algorithm, and it's also going to encourage us to keep making videos like this. And don't forget to click on that notification bell so that whenever there is a new video, you're going to be the first to know. And also go on ahead and click on the screen for the next very important and tips and tutorial video. I'm going to see you in the next video. So my name is Careenmankah. Always remain blessed, always remain fabulous, and I am going to see you in the next video.